हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में देखेंगे एनएफएल के फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन पेपर जो 9 मार्च 2025 को कंडक्ट हुआ था। इसका कट ऑफ कहाँ तक जाएगा आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताइए। ऐसे ही वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करो। फ्रेंड्स, शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द जोन टू रीच द डिटेक्टर आफ्टर सैंपल इंजेक्शन इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन retention time, retention volume, half life, half volume. So the correct answer is retention time. Question number 2, minimum training hours required for pharmacy registration is dash dash hours. Option 100, 500, 300, 800. Correct answer is 500 hours. Question number 3. Which one of the option given below is common nasal decongestant? Option phenylephrine, paracetamol, loratadine, montelukast. Correct answer is phenylephrine. Question number 4. Which of the following is an example of Schedule H drug in India? Option paracetamol, ibuprofen, ciprofloxacin, diclofenac. Correct answer is ciprofloxacin. Question number 5. Pupil is present in option retina, iris, sclera, cornea. Correct answer is iris. Question number 6. Lactose is used as option disintegrant, diluent, lubricant, glidant. Correct answer is diluent. Question number 7. Which one of the following disease is not fomite-borne? Option typhoid, diphtheria, bacillary dysentery, malaria. Correct answer is malaria. Question number 8. In chloride limit test, the reagent added for precipitation is option silver nitrate, silver chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium chloride. Correct answer is silver nitrate. Question number 9. Acid or substances when dissolved in water gives option chloride ion, hydrogen ion, sodium ion, hydroxide ion. Correct answer is hydrogen ion. Question number 10. Choose from the option below which can be found in the eye's retina. Option rods and cones, cornea and lens, optic nerves, iris and pupil. Correct answer is rods and cones. Question number 11. Isoniazid is a dash dash drug. Option antiviral, anti-cancer, antitubercular, antiprotozoal. Correct answer is antitubercular. Question number 12. What is the equation for total body clearance? Option total body clearance is equal to elimination rate by plasma drug concentration. Total body clearance is equal to plasma drug concentration by elimination rate. Total body clearance is equal to 1 by plasma drug concentration. Total body clearance is equal to 1 by elimination rate. Correct answer is total body clearance is equal to elimination rate by plasma drug concentration. Question number 13. Schedule C and C1 of Drugs and Cosmetics Act deals with option dyes and pigments in cosmetic, management of wholesale pharmacy, management of retail pharmacy, list of biological and special product. Correct answer is list of biologicals and special product. Question number 14. Warm temperature storage condition explained in IP and USP ranges from 25 to 35 degrees Celsius, 25 to 40 degrees Celsius, 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Question number 15. As per USP, type 1 glass is option borosilicate glass, treated soda lime glass, general purpose soda lime glass. Correct answer is borosilicate glass. Question number 16. What is the drug that is used to dilate the pupil during the eye examination? Option miotic, beta blocker, local anesthetic, mydriatics. Correct answer is mydriatics. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a route of drug excretion? Option kidney, skin, stomach, lungs. Correct answer is stomach. Question number 18. Which method is commonly used to measure the absolute bioavailability of drug? Option comparing the AUC of drug after oral and intravenous administration, measuring the half-life of the drug in plasma, measuring the drug clearance rate from the body, comparing the Cmax of drug after different route of administration. Correct answer is comparing the AUC of drug after oral intravenous administration. Question number 19. Which of the following polymer is widely used in film coating of tablet? Option glycerol, starch, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, Acacia. Correct answer is hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. Question number 20. Which ion binds to troponin, allowing the myosin head to bind to actin in muscle concentration? Option: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium. Correct answer is calcium.